Good morning students. In previous class we have discussed about triangle, which is a polygon because it is made up of line segments. Today we will discuss about another polygon, quadrilateral, and we'll also discuss exercise 4.4 and 4.5. First let us discuss what is quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It has four sides and four angles. Example, PQRS is a quadrilateral. It has four sides PQ, QR, RS and SP. And four angles are angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. In any quadrilateral ABCD, AD and CD are adjacent sides and AD and BC are opposite sides because they are opposite to each other, and AD and CD are joined by a common vertex, so they are adjacent sides. Similarly, AB and BC are adjacent sides. They are joined by a common vertex B, and AB and CD are opposite sides because they are opposite to each other. In any quadrilateral ABCD, angle A and angle C are opposite angles. Similarly, angle D and angle B are opposite angles. Angle A and angle B are adjacent angles, and angle C and angle D are adjacent angles because they are the endpoints of the same line segment. As you came to know about two polygons, triangle and quadrilateral, now let us discuss exercise 4.4 and 4.5. Exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Solution. Triangle ABC is drawn. Point P is in the interior of triangle ABC. Point Q is in the exterior of triangle ABC. A is neither in the exterior nor in the interior of triangle ABC. Question number 2a. Identify three triangles in the triangle. Solution. Three triangles are triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Question number 2b. Write the names of seven angles. Seven angles are angle ABC, angle ADB, angle BAD, angle ADC, angle ACD, angle DAC, angle BAC. Question number 2c. Write the names of six line segments. Six line segments are AB, BC, AC, BD, DC and AD. Question number 2d. Which two triangles have angle B as common? Answer. Triangle ABC and triangle ABD have angle B as common. Exercise 4.5. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Solution. Quadrilateral PQRS is drawn. Now we have to draw the diagonals. Diagonals are the lines which joins opposite vertex. Here PR and QS are the diagonals. They meet at a common point O, which is in the interior or inside of the quadrilateral. Question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State. First question. Two pairs of opposite sides. Find two pairs of opposite sides. So, quadrilateral KLMN is drawn. Now, two pairs of opposite sides are KN is opposite to ML and KL opposite to NM. Question number 2b. Two pairs of opposite angles. Answer. Opposite angles means angles which are opposite to each other. Here angle KLM is opposite to angle KNM. And similarly, angle LKN is opposite to angle LMN. Simply we can say angle K and angle M are opposite to each other. Angle N and angle L are opposite to each other. Question number 2C, two pairs of adjacent sides. Adjacent sides means the sides which are nearby or they are joined by a common endpoint or vertex. So, here two pairs of opposite sides are KL and KN, MN and ML. Question number 2D, two pairs of adjacent angles. The angles which are nearby or joined by a common line segment. Two pairs of adjacent angles are angle K and angle L, angle M and angle N. Today we have discussed about quadrilateral, which is a polygon made up of 4 line segments, and also discussed exercise 4.4 and 4.5. Complete all the question and answers of exercise 4.4 and 4.5 in your notebook. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Marks.